In this video, I'll show you how to quickly apply a discount to all products in your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. For example, here we're applying a 15% discount on all our products site-wide, right? So as you can see, there's a sale badge on every single product, and we're applying a 15% discount to our products. But let's say, for example, if there was a product which was already on sale, we can actually ignore that product. So let's say, for example, if this particular product was already discounted by 20%, we can create the rule to actually ignore this particular product when we're creating our sale offer. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the AovUp Dynamic Price and Discount Rules plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the AovUp Dynamic Pricing and Discount Rules plugin, we'll head over to Dynamic Pricing and Discount Rules here, and we'll create our first rule. All right, so with this particular plugin, we can apply various different rule types to all our products at once. Say, for example, we can create a rule which says if you spend over $100, we'll give you 5% off your entire order, okay? Or we can create a more general rule, for example, 15% site-wide discount, which is what we'll be creating in this particular video. We can create buy one, get one free rules and various other different rule type, but for this video, we'll just focus on a simple rule. And to apply this rule, we'll head over to user roles. All right, so typically if you're running a standard WooCommerce setup, the typical roles you'll have is subscriber and a customer role, okay? So those are the two default role types. If you're using our plugin or a plugin similar to ours, you might have a wholesale component on your site, right? And then you'll have a wholesale user role, which is this one here. Okay, so to put all our products on sale at once, all we're going to do is we're going to enable this subscriber and customer user role discount, and then we'll say it's a percentage discount, okay? And then here we'll just say 15%. Okay, so for customers logged in as these two user role, they'll be able to access 15% site-wide discount as well. All right. Okay, so usually as well, we've got a guest user role for customers which are logged out of our site. I can't see it here, but in your particular version, you will see that guest user role here. So you can create a site-wide discount as well for customers logged out of your site. Right, so just for testing purposes, I'm going to enable our administrator discount as well. I'm going to set this to 15% because currently I'm logged in as admin and it just saves me switching accounts. All right, so let's hit save changes and then we can go ahead and view our shop page. All right, and then here we've got a notice which says admin will receive 15% discount on all products. All right, and you can see all our products are currently on sale and all products have been given a 15% discount. If you wanted to remove this banner, it's dead simple. We'll just head back over to our dashboard here. We'll navigate over to options and then we can go ahead and disable this user role banner notification. Okay, so one other thing to note whilst we're on the settings page is, let's say for example, if you've already got a product which is already on sale, you can enable this option to actually exclude it from our rule which we've created here. Okay, so if you've already got a product which has already been discounted at 20% already, you don't want to add an additional 15% on that already discounted product. So you just want to enable this option to skip that product from having two discounts being applied to it effectively. So let's hit save changes. And let's go ahead and refresh this page, and then the banner is no longer visible, but we've still got the discount being applied. All right, so for your regular customers, which is your subscribers and customer user role, they'll be able to access this particular sale as well. It's the same as well for logged out users. As I said, in that case, we'll select the guest user role, which isn't shown on my end, but in your case, you will see that guest user role. So if you want to learn more about different promotional offers you can create with this particular plugin, I'll leave a link on screen to a playlist showing you how to create various different offers with this plugin. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support.